fairly volatile at the moment. It continues to be the same names. Actually, PNB is down 7%, MRPL is down 7%, HEG, SJVN. So a lot of these PSU names are actually coming under pressure. Mayuresh, what's the view as far as PSU basket is concerned? Would you hazard a buy here, or let it settle, let the entire volatility get out of the system?
I think it would be an appropriate choice for the volatility to settle, Anisha. But I think PSU banks seem to be a little bit more comfortably placed. Numbers have been reasonable. The expectations, again, in terms of the legacy accounts that they probably carry, would ensure that the deposit growth continues for these banks. Again, well capitalized, a large part of the banking universe, specifically the larger names and the within the mid caps, the largest mid cap names as well. Last but not the least, because their provisioning has been so elevated, any write-offs and recoveries and the write-offs that they've probably done in the past, any recoveries thereof will incrementally add directly to the bottom line, which probably means that there might be a ROE improvement as we head into the next few years as well. EPS RS rating, institution holding, as we see in cancelling, remains very, very strong. So Bank of Baroda, Bank of Maharashtra seem to be well placed. Defense names, Anisha, I think they've corrected quite a bit. So I think we are keeping our eyes and ears open now. If they correct further, our own sense is that the tailwinds and the structural story still persists. They've got decent order books. They've been executing well. There does not seem to be the case that their execution might probably go off track, looking at the target setting that the ministry has probably given them. And therefore, I think we are very, very selective when we're keeping a very close eye on these PSU defense names. And if they correct further and if they make good bases at lower levels, maybe we'll initiate coverage on a few of these names with management.
Yeah.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits, and then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.